GoTriage.com is a platform that connects patients and doctors. It is a platform that provides an efficient solution for all the patients to connect with their doctors and do the best appointments at right time. Here we have this website. So let's have a look at what's actually going on in this GoTriage.com website. So here we have the search panel over here. Let's give a look at the whole home page and then we'll come to this panel. So here we have top rated doctors. Here you can get a look of all the doctors that are available. You can check their profiles as well. You can scroll through these doctors and you can have a look at all the doctors that are top rated and provided on this website. Next, we go on to the what user says. All the clients that use GoTriage.com website have provided their reviews, and you can find them all over here in this part of this website. Then we have why GoTriage. As you know, the GoTriage is one of the best websites that provide a very efficient solution for patients and doctors. So why GoTriage? So here we have online triage, documents, patient reviews, as you can have a patient review over here as well. A map view, you can have a look at the maps and locations as well. 24/7 healthcare is provided through this website, and that's also a beneficial thing for all the patients and doctors as well. Then we have an online system and insurance system as well. So that is why GoTriage is preferred over all other websites that are available. Then we have an Apple Store app and also Google Play Store app. You can have a look at these two apps as well. Then we have these healthcare partners. You can have a look at these healthcare partners and scroll them as well. So here we have the home page. Then you can go to this top rated doctors and you can have a look at any person's profile. We can click on this doctor and you'll see that there are different things, different tabs available over here. You will get to know about the insurance, amenities, language reviews and galleries about different doctors over here. Then we'll go on to the home. And if you want to search any doctor over here, then you will just click the search button and you will get to know there are so many doctors available over here. For instance, we just click onto the first doctor and then we'll get to know about the profile of the doctor, the insurance that the doctor is available with, the amenities, as you can see, the language, the doctor speaks, reviews about the doctor, and the galleries, the photos and videos about the doctor is available over here. Then of course you can have a look at the time slots that the doctor is available. You can click on this and you can have an appointment. For the appointment you need to have a login, and if you don't have an account you need to sign up. Then you'll again go onto the home and you can have a look at the diagnostic centers as well. You can click on the diagnostic center and just click on the search button. Here you have a list of all the diagnostic centers available in your area. You can click on any of the diagnostic center. Again, you can see the profile, overview, insurance, amenities, language, reviews, galleries, and everything that's available for this diagnostic center. Then we'll again go on to previous page. Now we have a look at the home care. We'll click on to the search button simply and we have a list of all the home cares available in your area. That's about the home page. Then we'll go on to the About Us page. This About Us page just simply tell you about this website, why this website is important, why this website is going to connect patients and doctors, and why you should prefer GoTriage.com over any other website. Here you have all the strengths, weaknesses, and about the patients, doctors, benefits of GoTriage.com available over here. You can have a look, have a read over here, and you'll find all the things. Then we'll go on to the terms. Terms and conditions are also available over here about the services. By creating an account, all the terms and conditions and policies are available over here. Then we'll go on to the rewards and reward program. We have a reward program and how it works, and the coins and how you can redeem. All the things are available over here. There are some of the offers. You can simply click on the points range, 0 to 50, vendors, and you can have a look at all the doctors and vendors that are available over here. Here we have frequently asked questions. Some of the questions that are usually asked by clients and users, they're also available over here. You can have a look at all these questions. Then there are some more questions and answers. You can also go through these if you have any query. Then we'll go on to the blog. It's one of the most important and creative part of this website. So in this blog portion, you will get to know different blogs written by people on different topics. Let's click on this first blog, for instance, and you get to know about this blog that's written related to COVID-19 and some related to babies and children. So there's so many other blogs that are also written in this section of the website. Some of the recent posts that are available also present on the right side of the website, and you can have a look at any of the blog by clicking it.